Today I'm going to talk about a third degree DWI in Minnesota.
What is a third degree DWI?
A third degree DWI is a gross misdemeanor, which means it's punishable by a maximum of 1 year in jail and a $3,000 fine.
How do I get a third degree DWI?
There are a couple different ways. The most common way is to have a prior DWI or a prior alcohol-related loss of your driver's license within a 10-year period. The other ways are to have a kid age 16 or younger in the car at the time with you when you got the DWI, to test over a .20, or to refuse to take the blood, breath, or urine test.
What's a typical sentence?
The typical sentence involves a 30-day minimum if you've had a prior DWI, and that can be a combination of jail and electronic home monitoring, which is where the judge orders that you wear a bracelet around your ankle and it prevents you from leaving your home except when you're going to work. So it's kind of like being grounded except for being able to work. Also, you're going to have those court fines that I talked about. You'll be on probation for 2 to 4 years, have a no alcohol restriction with random checks to see if you've been drinking throughout that whole probationary term. You'll have to go get a chemical assessment and go to any alcohol treatment that they want you to go to a Mothers Against Drunk Driving panel, and follow the other conditions of probation.
What about my driver's license?
You also face losing your driver's license when you're revoked for a third degree DWI. The revocation period is usually 180 days long, and you're also looking at getting whiskey plates if you don't also fight and challenge what's called your implied consent hearing. So you do have a right to challenge whether you should be revoked and whether this third degree DWI should go on your driving record. For more information about that, see my video called Implied Consent.
What if I have more questions?
You can call me at 612-339-5844, or you can go to my website at www.arrestedminnesota.com. That's www.arrestedmn.com.